afternoon, Lisa. My name is Cherie here at Tameron Hyundai. Thank you so much for your interest in our pre-owned department. You're allowing us to help you with that investment in your future, which I want to say thank you so much first and foremost. Our Black Friday sale is started early, so take advantage of that with our winter white 2014 Kia Soul that you chose. Come on in, let's take a closer look. As you can see, it has the iconic Kia emblem in the front with the grille, wraparound lights, great tires. As we pan down, you'll see that the body is in really great condition. This has very low miles. As we go into interior, you'll see that it's cloth interior, two-tone, actually gray and black, and it has been taken care of, like I said. On the steering wheel, for hands-free, you have Bluetooth capability, cruise control, and you can adjust your music. Go to the center console, and you'll see that it's nice and spacious, and it's I like to call it customer friendly because everything is spacious and it's right there in your view and you don't have to search for it while you're driving. It has great heat for the winter, cold air for the summer. You have auxiliary USB and also for your you can charge your phone. I'm not sure if you can tell, but it has a 6-speed, which means it is a manual. This car is in excellent condition, Lisa. I need you to come in today, take it for the test drive that I know you will love, and it can be in your driveway as early as this afternoon. My name again is Cherie at Tameron Hyundai. We're located at 1591 Montgomery Highway in Hoover, right across from the big Wells Fargo Bank on Highway 31. My name again is Cherie. You can call me on my cell phone because you can text me the time you're going to be here. We have it right up front ready for you to go for that test drive. 205-702-1029. And Lisa, here at Tameron Hyundai, you're going to love the way you treat it. I know. I'll see you soon.